Look what we got here today, folks. I was cruising around my hometown the other week and seen an old hot rod driving around. It's a 55 Chevy like this, but it wasn't complete. Had the matted wheels, had the good sound, and I thought, you know, it's been a while since I've built an old street hot rod. So that's what we're going to do. I picked this up and I want to build it very similar to what I saw on the street. It wasn't completed. I don't know what was under the hood, but I know it looked good. I know it sounded good. We got this classic body style, firewalls all inside in the engine compartment. Looks like pretty crisp chrome on the sides. We'll have to do some cleanup of some mold lines I see. And that's alright. That's just part of model building. Two-piece hood scoop. I also picked up a little bit of Ken's custom fuzzy fur. A little bit for the interior. Just a little bit. Some nice shiny chrome pieces. Look at those big old bumpers. I miss chrome bumpers on the full-size cars. We got stock wheels. We got zoomy dump headers. Now I don't know why it's only got these two. I don't know if they're Kragers or torque thrust, but only these two rims. Kind of old school, plain basic frame, sub-assembly. Got the exhaust molded in. I haven't decided if we'll mess with that or not. Maybe at least just make it so it doesn't show when the model's built. Maybe put a little bit of that funky fur on the back deck here, and maybe for the carpeting. Fuzzy fur, not funky fur. Well, here's the wheels. Nice deep dish, but they don't come chrome, so don't, if you pick up this model, don't expect to see these chrome. These are just the same plastic as the rest of the kit. We can still make them look good. Those aren't garbage. Stock size wheels, a little bit more street size wheels. Wide walls if you want to go for stock. Second hood scoop here. Stock and a racing steering wheel. Probably have to have the racing steering wheel in it. Is that another hood scoop too? Yeah, second hood scoop. Some nice decals. We got colored flames. We got license plates. Some other decals. Chevy AMT. Yeah, those are good decals. But I did pick up a second set of decals. a thin pinstriping. I've never used these before, but with how I'm planning on doing this model, I think we'll give these a try. They're from Gopher Racing. I've heard some good reviews of them, but we're going to try it out, see how it goes. Let's get started.